If you want to learn how to do this and this, stick to this video. How can you use the power of leverage to improve your trading? And I think I got it all wrong in the beginning. I was treating these funded accounts very recklessly. I was not using its potential correctly. Because in reality, if you have a $150,000 account, the ones that I use, those are not a $150,000 account, right? Those are a $5,000 account. Why? Because that's the room that the prop firm let you to trade. If you lose more than $5,000, they will close your account. So depending on which company you are using, you can put trades up to 15 contracts, mini contracts. If you dare to put such a size of a trade, you will have very little room with $5,000. It's very easy to blow accounts with that type of size. So what I do is I use my main NinjaTrader brokerage account as a leader account, and I reply all my trades throughout my RigMe users with different companies with a software. For example, in today's trade, I was risking $190 in my own account, and I ended up making $2,500 throughout all my accounts. And yes, some of you will say, all right, but if you lost the trade, you will not lose $190. Well, technically, yes, that's the only amount of money that is going to be taken out of my account, and the rest is the prop firm's account. In reality, I'm using their leverage to make more money for myself. So with very little risk, you can have a very good upside every day. It works psychologically and economically for me. I will leave you a link down below with the video of the trade so you can watch the trade while I was taking it. And now let's jump into the H1 so you can see the technicals. This is my H1. Today is the 28th. I ended up taking 4 trades, 3 break-evens. One of them was in the morning. I need to correct this because it is the NQ pullback continuation. But let's review this one. All the rest, this one you will find in my live stream in the morning. These 2 are in the video that I'm putting a link down below. So here's the trade. I took the trade. I basically was the same area that I was taking here. So these 3 trades were in the same area. Here I did have a problem with my risk manager. So it put just 1 contract. It ended up break even though this was the main trade that I was putting. After this move up, I was thinking in the area for a continuation. The dollar was hitting supply, so I thought, all right, so this thing has the potential to move to the upside pretty quickly. So I want not to risk losing the trade. I think it's a very good setup. So I put a limit order right here. This was my second trade. Ended up break even right here, and I said, all right, I will retake this area if it doesn't go through the stop. Okay, so it didn't go. It came here. I activated the order, and then I ended up taking all this heat, and then finally it worked. So my ultimate target was, and let's go see where my ultimate target was, because my ultimate target was right here. It would have gotten filled, but this was closed at 4 p.m. There are certain rules within the funded account, so I didn't want to risk losing any of the accounts because I could break a rule. So I decided to just close it out at 4 p.m. Also, we were expecting Netflix earnings. I was very cautious of this volatility right after the market closed. Here's the dollar. You can watch how it came here. This formation was created during the 1 o'clock, like 12:30 in the afternoon. Came here, revisited, and again pushed to the downside. Now, when the dollar was here, the same demand was showing up. Yesterday's demand. And I said, all right, this could be another long opportunity. Everything was setting up for me. Regarding the tick chart, was creating divergence, pretty nice divergence here. And the ADQD is still positive, even though the market was in the negative, never got to close to the 0 line. So the market was negative briefly during the day, but the ADQD never got negative. So that was a very good and bullish move on the ADQD. That's my trade from today. Pullback continuation on the micro NQ. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you.